In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best exercise bikes in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. Despite its low price, the Asuta is a solid little machine that can withstand some vigorous workouts. You have to do a bit of heavy lifting and setup with this model. It weighs 73 pounds and took us 45 minutes to assemble, but once it's built, you'll have a nice bike that should last you for a long time. We were taken aback by how comfortable the seat was. We actually preferred it to most other models, including the Peloton. We were also impressed with how smooth the ride felt when you were on it, and it's whisper quiet too, so you won't irritate your neighbors. At this price you won't find many flashy features. The bike can display your calories, distance, time and speed, but it won't show your actual cadence. The dated-looking console is also very small, so if you're short-sighted you might have to squint to see the metrics. There is a device holder, so if you've subscribed to a cycling platform, you can watch your favorite classes on your phone or tablet. The pedals are a cage design, so you can wear whatever trainers you like when you hop on. This does mean that you're not experiencing the most efficient riding, as your upstrokes won't be powering the pedals in the same way they do when you're clipped in, but it does save you the expense of buying some new cleats. Overall, a great option for this price. We had very few complaints. Number 4. This sturdy, solid stationary bike from Sunny Health and Fitness has a steel frame and 49-pound weighted flywheel that can hold a maximum weight of 275 pounds. The seat can adjust to 4 settings, and the caged pedals include clips to keep your feet in place. The leather band resistance system is designed to mimic the feel of a real road. While the bike doesn't come with a screen, there is a bottle holder and assembly takes about 10 minutes. We found it was a very sturdy bike, had nice large toe baskets, and offered a nice quiet ride. However, those who are a bit shorter may find the bike a bit uncomfortable, as we did. And, because there's no display or guided fitness programs, you'll have to be self-motivated to use it. Overall, though, it's a great bike for beginners who don't want to spend thousands of dollars on something they might not use again. Number 3. Recumbent exercise bikes provide a low-impact, gentler workout than upright bikes, which make them the best exercise bike for seniors. You get more lumbar support by reclining on a cushioned back, and there's less pressure on the joints in your hips, knees and ankles. The Schwinn 270 recumbent bike is a brilliant option for those looking for a low-impact workout. It is an adjustable seat, which is extremely comfortable when cycling. The bike itself comes with a number of different resistance levels and workout options to help you raise your heart rate. If you use the Explore the World by Bowflex fitness app, you can virtually ride along some scenic routes. Free scenic routes include Zion National Park, Route 66, and the French Riviera. There are also a number of heart rate training options on the platform, which encourage you to stay in a certain zone to burn calories, or just keep working through the whole session. Our tester also loved the option to just ride, resting her phone on the console, giving her the option to catch up with a show or reply to emails, while getting a workout in. The downside with this bike is that serious cyclists will probably miss the option to ride out of the saddle or get that real-life cycling experience. That said, if you're looking for a lower impact option, this is a great piece of kit. Number 2. When it comes to spin bikes, Peloton may be the most well-known name, but the NordicTrack commercial S15i Studio cycle rival every feature, and for about $200 less than the bare-bones version. The bike's resistance is controlled by an inertia-enhanced flywheel, which is a fancy way to say it's balanced and weighted for optimal spinning motion. This means you can pedal faster without any shakiness or jerking. With 22 digital resistance levels and an incline range of -10% to 20%, you can customize your ride, just the way you want it. And it comes with 2 3-pound dumbbells. I fit, NordicTrack's subscription service is similar to Peloton's, too. You can access a library of thousands of on-demand workouts, as well as jump into live workouts and compete with other iFit users across the country. With NordicTrack's automatic trainer control, elite iFit trainers can digitally control your cycle's incline, decline and resistance, so all you have to do is ride. Number 1. Of all the things you control when choosing the right exercise bike for you, the content on the screen in front of you might be the one people think about the least. Many exercise bikes lock you into a platform, so you can only train with the videos provided by them. This isn't necessarily a bad thing, as there are a lot of fantastic spin classes and endurance building sessions across the various exercise bikes, but it's also not hard for some of these videos to feel a little stale after a while. You get a lot with the Bowflex Velocore bike. It's surprisingly modular. You can bring whatever shoes and seat and even weights and tablets along for the ride, and the design supports it. In fact, on more than one occasion I've even taken Zoom meetings from the saddle of this Bowflex indoor cycling exercise bike, and the handlebars supported the design just fine. The magnetic resistance system gives you plenty of challenges regardless of your skill level, and the special tilt system means you can get a core workout alongside your leg workouts. It's a great all-round experience, but where it excels is everything you can do on the screen. Bowflex has its own platform with instructors to help you train yourself in a number of ways like most exercise bikes, but there's a lot more here. Netflix, Disney Plus and HBO Max are a couple of the apps on board, so you can enjoy a show while getting in a long-distance ride. You can even use Zwift to ride alongside friends virtually, though it's worth pointing out your performance on this bike isn't as accurate as you'd get on a dedicated Zwift-approved indoor trainer. No matter what you use, your performance is still tracked and available as a guide to improve yourself. The only real downside to this bike is its size. At 60 inches long and 24 inches wide, it has one of the larger footprints you'll find among indoor bikes. The 158-pound body means it's nice and sturdy, but it also means those with smaller frames may find it's challenging to move around using the two small wheels in the front. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.